Hey friends, do you want to create a video like this? And then you can put this video on the TikTok, Facebook, or any social media platform and become famous. So today in this video, I'll show you how to do this. And let's start with sound as well.
Thank God I'm thinking high. That roof is on fire. Thank God.
So let's go and find out how to do this. First, go to the application called PixVerse. Then here you will see too many templates. Then go to the templates next to the home screen. Here you can find too many templates like trending, the one with werewolf rage, born to Barbie. You can go and browse all the templates here. You can also choose live in style, AI dance. You can put your photo and make it dance. The one I really like is Alpha Verse, and the template that I have used is Fire Roar, the one here. And you can also go and browse other templates, but for now I'll just choose these templates and show you how to make that video. So use template.
That roof is on fire.
Use template. Then select the photo that you want to make the video with the fire on your mouth. Here we got a couple of options. The first one is you can put your text and use the AI voice as well, but it's going to take extra credit that you have to spend. So for now I will not use anything like that. And also here you have resolution 360 pixel, 540 pixel, and also you can make it more slower, like into 2 speed, into 4 speed, or into 8 speed. And the price you have to pay is extra credit. And also there is like 3 trial left. I have already used one, so I'm going to choose the second one, and it's going to take extra credit, that is 45 credit. It used to be a 30 with 360 pixel, and if I choose for 540, then it is 45 credit. So let's go and create and then see how it is. So my video is generating. Until then you can see other templates as well, and the festival one is really great. You can put the customs and everything. So my video is already ready. Let's go and view it.
That roof is on fire.
So this is the current video which I have watermark on the top. So there is a solution for that. So let's just go to edit and crop the video. Just crop the top part and then just save it, and the watermark is gone. Then you can post this video on TikTok or any other platform, or you can share with the friends. I hope you like the video and make other videos like this using too many different templates on the PixVerse. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.